Long ago, before the invention of the telephone, people greeted each other in different ways. They said good day, good morning, or even how do you do? But no one ever said hello. The word hello was not used the way we use it today. It wasn't even a common word at all. So how did it become one of the most popular words in the world? Let me tell you the story. The year was 1876, and a brilliant inventor named Alexander Graham Bell was working on a new device. He called it the telephone. It was a magical thing that could carry a person's voice across a wire to someone far away. Bell was excited about his invention, but he faced one big problem. What should people say when they picked up the phone? At that time, the word hello did exist, but it wasn't used as a greeting. People would use hello to express surprise or to get someone's attention, like saying hey or hello. For example, if someone dropped a plate, they might shout, hello, what's happening? But no one ever thought of saying hello as a friendly greeting. Bell believed that people should answer the phone by saying ahoy. It was a common greeting used by sailors when they were on ships. Bell thought it sounded fun and unique. However, there was another inventor, named Thomas Edison, who also played a role in making the telephone popular. Edison disagreed with Bell. He didn't like ahoy at all. He thought it was too old-fashioned and only suited for the sea. Instead, Edison suggested using hello. He thought it was simple, clear, and easy to understand. Edison believed that when people heard the telephone ring, they should answer it with a cheerful hello. So he wrote a letter to the president of a telephone company and said, I think we should all start our conversations with the word hello. The telephone company liked Edison's idea. They thought hello sounded friendly and modern. They encouraged people to use it whenever they answered the phone. Soon, everyone started saying hello when they picked up the receiver. At first, some people felt strange saying it, but over time, they grew to love the word. It was simple, easy to say, and made people feel connected. As the telephone became more popular, the word hello spread across the world. People in different countries started using it, too. The word jumped out of the telephone and into everyday life. Now, people were saying hello not just when they answered the phone, but whenever they met someone new, when they walked into a room, or even when they saw a friend on the street. Hello became more than just a word. It became a symbol of kindness and connection. It was a way of reaching out to others, a way of saying, I see you, I hear you, and I'm glad you're here. People from all walks of life, from different countries and cultures, embraced the word hello. It brought them together in a simple and friendly way. Over the years, hello found its way into songs, movies, books, and even postcards. It became a global greeting, recognized and used by people everywhere. Today, we hardly think about it. We say hello without even realizing how special it is. But each time we do, we are continuing a tradition that began more than 100 years ago, thanks to a little invention called the telephone and two clever men with big ideas. And that is how hello went from a little used word to one of the most famous greetings in the world. It all began with a phone, a few inventors, and a great idea. Now, whenever you say hello, you are part of a story that connects people across time and space, reminding us all of the power of a simple word. So, next time you greet someone with hello, think about the journey this little word has taken. Remember that it's more than just a word, it's a bridge that brings people together, one conversation at a time.